How AI is revolutionizing non-technical careers. 5 AI tools you should try. Intro. Welcome back to Tech Trek by Moise. Are you in a non-technical career and looking for ways to level up? Well, AI is here to make your job easier, smarter, and more efficient. Today, we're covering 5 AI tools that will revolutionize your non-tech career in 2025. Main content 3 for minutes. Tool 1. Copy.ai AI content generation for marketers and content creators. Copy.ai is a game changer. Whether you're writing ads, blogs, or social media posts, Copy.ai uses AI to generate copy that's both engaging and SEO-friendly. Tool 2. Grammarly AI Writing Assistant. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you craft error-free emails, reports, and presentations perfect for professionals across any field. Tool 3. Zapier Automation AI. Zapier automates repetitive tasks for you, from syncing emails to scheduling social posts. It's the perfect productivity assistant for anyone managing multiple non-tech tasks. Tool 4. Otter.ai AI Transcription Closing parenthesis double quotes. Otter.ai uses AI to transcribe meetings, lectures, and interviews in real time. Perfect for those in HR, teaching, and business development. Tool 5. Canva AI Graphic Design. Canva is now AI-powered, making graphic design super easy for anyone without design skills. Whether it's presentations or social media posts, Canva helps create stunning visuals in minutes. Conclusion. 30 sec. AI is not just for coders. These tools can help streamline your work, boost productivity, and even improve your career prospects. Which one will you try first?